Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stir-fry rice with shrimp. Prep shrimp, rice, vegetables, and sauce before you start, then heat a wok or large skillet over high heat. Fry aromatics quickly, sear shrimp until just opaque, push ingredients aside, and scramble eggs if using. Add rice and sauce, toss fast to combine, then finish with scallions and sesame oil for bright flavor and a glossy finish. Gather your ingredients and tools so the cooking moves quickly and smoothly. Use 2 cups cold cooked rice, 12 to 16 large shrimp, and mixed vegetables like peas and carrots. Mix a sauce of 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and beat them lightly. Keep everything within arm's reach to maintain high heat and fast tossing. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and hit like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers, step-by-step audio, and upbeat cooking playlists. It makes multitasking in the kitchen easier and more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if that sounds useful, give it a look. Now let's get back to the video. Heat your wok until very hot, then add a high smoke point oil and aromatics like garlic and ginger. Quickly sear shrimp for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until opaque, then remove. Push veggies to the pan edge, scramble eggs in the center, then add cold rice and sauces. Toss everything rapidly to combine and reheat rice evenly, then fold shrimp back in and garnish with scallions and toasted sesame seeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.